Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Eric and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified each time I upload, and do not forget to click all. So today guys, we are going to be doing a clothing video. We are going to be doing, what I wear throughout my week to work. If you're interested in that, definitely stay tuned. Alright you guys, so we are starting our Monday out with this cream colored sweater. This sweater is super soft and warm, and I paired it with some like jean style leggings and some brown boots. The sweater is from JCPenney's. I got this like maybe a year ago, and the leggings are from Walmart. The boots are also from JCPenney's, and the scarf, I had this literally in my stash for a very periodically long time. So next we are wearing this black cardigan I got from Shein. It was definitely in my Shein haul, and I'm just wearing a turtleneck black from Walmart, and I got these pants. Lord, I cannot remember. It could have been rainbow, I'm not sure, but I'm pairing it with my Macy's boots, and I also did a haul on these boots as well, you guys. So this is our Tuesday outfit. I love black. I wear black probably like 3 times a week, you guys. So that's that. But yeah, let's get into the next fit. So here is Hump Day Wednesday. I did these pants with this pink top. I got the top probably from Rainbow as well as the pants, and I'm again pairing it with my Macy's boots. You can definitely put an undershirt under it. This is going like really fast, but here's Thursday. I paired it with a Shein top, Shein cardigan. These pants are also from Shein with my JCPenney boots I got last Christmas. So again, I love black. So again, I literally wear black all week long if I could, But I had to change it up a little bit, So we finally reached Friday's outfit. We get to wear jeans, so I paired some jeans with the Shein top and the Shein cardigan. Y'all know I love Shein. And I did my boots also from JCPenney that I had for a while. And you guys, this is literally what I wear throughout the week. I try to make everything comfortable. It's casual, but it's not like too dressy because of my work style. But if you want to see more videos like that, definitely let me know. Like, this was kind of stressful and also fun, but I will make more videos like this. So yeah. Alright you guys, so this concludes the video. If you enjoyed this video, give my video a thumbs up. Also leave me comments as to which day of the week was your favorite. I think mine was probably Thursday and Friday, just because I get to wear jeans on Friday. So yeah, you guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then I will see y'all in my next video.